Today we are on the objectives of physical education, unit number first of class plus 1. Today topic, that is the objective of physical education. A brief description of these objectives is given below. So we are going in detail of these objectives of physical education, that is a physical, mental, social, neuromuscular or emotional development and development of health. So one by one we are going to discuss these points. First, that is the physical development. The foremost objective of physical education is physical development. In fact, it is the development of our organic systems, such as our systems that work inside our body, inside our skeleton system, that is a muscular system, skeleton system, circulatory system, respiratory system, nervous system, digestive system, etc. Physical education is related to the physical activities, and when we perform these physical activities, there are various effects of these activities in our organic system. So by reading physical education, we are able to understand what are the effects of physical education in our various systems. We are easily understand. These systems are developed in size, shape, efficiency, etc. Hence, it can be stated that physical development is possible through this objective of physical education. This also promotes a sound health, which enables the individual to be valuable asset for the society and nation. About second point, that is mental development. This objective is related to the mental development of an individual. Almost all the physical activities of physical education program need alertness of mind, deep concentration and calculated movement. It should be called the indispensable requirement of various physical activities. In fact, it is a two-way process. Physical activities sharpen the mind. On the other hand, perform various activities. Concentration of mind is essential, and without concentration, it is not possible to perform any activity or play any game. So, physical education is good for our physique as well as our mentality, our concentration of mind. So it includes rules and regulations, techniques of game, anatomical and physiological studies like balanced diet, sanitation, health and diseases, personal hygiene, etc. In this way, mental development takes place. Through participation in difficult physical activities, an individual can learn how to draw certain conclusions. He becomes able to understand the new situations which are faced in games and sports. One can be able to take decision independently. So in many ways, individuals' mental development takes place. So if you are a player of a game, then it's very essential for a player to be physically or mentally fit. If you have a good mind, if you have a good mentality, then you are able to concentrate your mind and your body, then to perform good your best. If you have a good concentration, if you have a sound mind. About third, that is social development. Man is a social animal and cannot live without society. Man is a part of society and has to follow the rules and regulation, traditions, and the law of society. His activeness in society proves his identity and helps in personality development. In society, he learns social rules and regulations which make him socially a useful member. He learns to be cooperate with others, friendship, togetherness, honesty, obedience, sincerity, tolerance, adjustment, leadership, boldness, self control, self discipline, etc. He also tries his best to stop his evils of society and let the progress of community. This all guides him to achieve the aim of physical education. He becomes an ideal citizen and useful member of society. It also helps to improve our neuromuscular development. For example, this objective of aim at better coordination, better between nervous system and muscular system, brain and the muscles. The activities of physical education provides ample opportunities for the better neuromuscular coordination. In various games situations, our neuromuscular coordination is developed. Good coordination helps to keep away the fatigue during various activities. The proper uses of energy can be made. If we have good neuromuscular coordination, we get accuracy and smooth functioning of our body. In performing physical activities, our reactions time between better. The activities of physical education help in making efficient movement of our body. Thus, through physical activity, neuromuscular development, coordination between efficient. So, it improves our neuromuscular development. Neuro means our brain, and muscular means our muscular strength, our muscular system. So it improves our coordination between our mind and our muscles. So if you have a good coordination between your mind and muscles, then you have utilized your energy, then you have done your game with accuracy. So this is essential for a good performance. Emotional development. The emotional development of an individual is also the major objective of physical education. Every individual has various types of emotions like pleasure, hope, jealousy, hate, fear, distress, anger, wonder, lust, loneliness, etc. If an individual does not have appropriate control over these emotions, he becomes abnormal and uncontrollable. The emotions are vital for every individual, but excess of these is always bad. The program of physical education develop these emotions and also teach us to have proper control over emotions. So physical education teach us how to control our emotions. Emotions like jealousy, hate, fear, distress, anger, wonder, lust, loneliness, etc. Development of health. The development of health is an objective of physical education. This develops the health related habits through health education. This also provides education about the prevention of communicable diseases. There are various programs about recreation. The programs of physical education in modern age reduce anxiety, stress, and tension up to large extent, so that the health of individual could be promoted. So these are the main objectives of physical education. physical development, mental development, social development, neuromuscular development, emotional development, development of health. Then move on to the next point, that is career options in physical education. What are the various career options in physical education? If you choose physical education in your studies, in your profession, then what will you have to do in your future? Let's see. Career opportunities in physical education are increasing day by day in India. Also, like other countries, lot of jobs are provided by the government organization like Sports Authority of India, National Institute of Sports in Patiala, NIS, NSNIS, full form of NSNIS, that is the Neta Subhas National Institute of Sports, situated in Patiala. Colleges, schools, public and private sectors. Jobs are also provided by various like Indian Railways, various banks and Indian Airlines. Police department on the basis of sports quota. Indian Railways alone take about 350 sport person in the job under sports quota. Besides good salary, the players are also given adequate facilities such as freedom from attendance in the office, are also given a good training by the department so that they can excel in their game. So by choosing physical education as a professional as a profession, so there are various opportunities. You have various options given to you. About the Sports Authority of India organized the national sports talent content for the students between the age of 9 to 11, identify the sports talent and provide adequate training in sports. About 3,000 students are selected every year. These days, there is a wide range of career opportunities in sports, unlike in the earlier days when a player after his retirement could hardly earn sufficiently as his career had been virtually jeopardized. Today the situation has changed considerably. For the better, one can actively participate as a player in his days, represent his state or his country, and make money as a professional player. Once one takes retirement, he has two options: become a manager or administrator or selector coach. About the various options, career options in physical education, one by one we are going to elaborate the career options. First, that is a teaching career in physical education. Physical education offers a teaching career to the people with physical education academic qualification like CPED, BPE, BPED, MPED, R, and MPhil. There is a great demand of physical education teachers in school, college, and universities. Physical education teachers are appointed in government, private, and public schools. They are required to teach theory and practicals of physical education. They are also required to prepare various teams of sports in inter-school competitions in college level and university level. The prerequisite qualification is master degree and MPhil of physical education to teach in physical education in colleges. The preference is given to PhD degree holders to teach on university level. PhD research work and publishing of books is an essential qualification. Second career option, that is a coaching career option. Coaching career is also a traditional career in the physical education. many physical educators prefers to opt for coaching a career. Opportunities to coach exist in both school non-school. Sufficient opportunities of jobs are available to the coaches in middle, high, senior secondary schools, colleges and universities at school level. A coach may be required to teach physical education and also coach to a team. In colleges and universities, coaches may be appointed to coach various teams for inter-colleges, inter-universities and competitions. Numerous job opportunities are also available in state sports department and sports authority of India. Coaching opportunities are also available with professional teams, commercial sports clubs and private enterprises. Move on to the third point, that is a health related career. Health related career opportunities in the field of physical education have been expanded in recent years. Health related career in health and weight control clubs. These clubs are based on the individual desire to be physically fit, to have a slim trim body, to look to the best. The owners run these health clubs. Physical educators may find a lot of job opportunities in these health clubs. The facilities and service provided by these clubs may vary, but fitness activities remains the same. Facilities like whirlpools, sauna, steam rooms, massage and other instructions regarding diet, nutrition are also given to the client. Administration related careers. Administrator related careers options are available in various fields like sports administration, management of sports club and facilities, sports marketing promotion. First, that is the Department of Physical Education. In various universities and colleges in India, the various courses of physical education are being run. In such department, the administration is in the hand of a chairman. He is the sole administrator to teaching department. Teachers of physical education and other clerical staff work under the chairman. Sports development. There are many job opportunities related to the administration in sports department like director sports, assistant director sports officer, assistant education officer AEO. Director of sports is responsible for the administration of various programs of game and sports. There may be the post of assistant director of sports at university level to assist the director of sports. Industrial recreation. Many national and multinational companies are providing recreational and sports opportunities for their employees. These companies lay stress on health and fitness and well-being of their employees. Therefore, these companies need qualified professionals to direct these activities. About the sports faculty management, there are a number of people and organizations that want to have sports facilities where they can do exercise to maintain health and fitness. They want to get faculty of gymnasium, health club, fitness center, stadium, sports complex, swimming pool. In such field, facilities managers are required. The sports facility manager may perform all the work or may have assistant.